Welcome guys to brand new When Cops Are on Time episode. Please sit back, relax and enjoy.
Shut up, idiot.
Oh! Here guys, in this footage you will see one speeder before and after he got pulled over. This camera managed to recognize this speeder, and let's thanks for Tesla's nice cameras. Quick reaction here guys by New York State Police. These guys, as you can see, don't tolerate speeders on the road.
So it won't be as boxy.
That's the one who was speeding.
Yeah?
Yeah. He passed you. I said, he must be doing like 100.
Oh yeah?
And look, they got
When that happened?
a little while ago. He passed you. Yeah, I said, he must be doing more than 75, like
Okay, Presto.
90 or something. And look, they caught him.
Well guys, I think that this speeder is a much bigger problem than the other ones.
He's getting pulled over.
This camera was driving casually and in front of him was one police vehicle, when all of a sudden another truck driver came out of closed road. Cops reacted immediately. Guys, this biker was just casually riding and trying some wheelies, I think, when he got chased by cops. Watch this situation all the way to the end and comment down below what do you think about this one.
What's up?
Got a driver's license?
Nope.
Got insurance? Got tag?
No.
Where you live at?
Right here, just down the road.
Okay, just down the road is
Right in this neighborhood right
in
here.
this neighborhood right here? Okay. How old are you?
14.
14. How long you had your dirt bike?
A week.
A week?
Well, I had like dirt bikes before.
Just this dirt bike a week?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's your first name?
Vitaly.
Spell it.
VITALY.
What's your last name?
CHENKO.
Russian?
Yeah.
Which birthday?
This will make an interesting video.
Hello mate, alright.
You're right. I'm just recording, sorry.
No, it's alright, so am I. Right. Oh, the reason I've stopped, there's nothing towards.
Yeah.
When you've come down from Clifton,
Yeah.
you were indicating right.
Yeah, I was.
Turn left, and it's not an indication that people don't want to be.
Yeah. I was gonna go right, but this bloody thing died, so I thought, okay, I need to go back home now. That's the only reason. Yeah. No worries, mate, that's fine.
Where you been anywhere nice?
I actually just came out, I was just doing a walk around video of the bike, and then I thought I was gonna go that way, but then I thought this died, let me just go back home now. But yeah, I was gonna go to Duffstone Reservoir. Yeah.
All good.
Awesome.
Be careful.
I will do it.
Take your time, mate.
See you later.
This guy was obviously drunk. One of the worst things you can do to yourself and other road participants. As you can see, he made some real damage out there. Guys, in this situation we have one casual and nice conversation by this cop and this biker.
I hope I love to get.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
How you doing, sir? Doing more?
Oh, what? Yeah,
You have registration?
of course, I have everything, sir. Can I? I have everything, sir.
Okay. Do you have driver's license?
Yeah. Can I drop the bike over here? Can I?
Yeah, you can just come away. Alright, so please drive safe, okay? Is all right?
Yeah. I'm sorry about that. I will. I'm sorry.
I know.
People coming up to a police
I
car
know.
and
I get it.
pictures of the police department and the police car.
I know. I'm taking a picture of my motorcycle,
I
like,
know, but it's...
but I got one in front of the Humvee too. Kind of caught my eye when I was riding by.
Okay, just hang tight for me for a second.
Okay.
What did you take the pictures with?
My cell phone.
Mind if I see the pictures? I just want to make sure
I'm not
you
doing it.
check out okay, that's all.
You see, I take pictures all over the place.
Appreciate it. Just hang out 1 second. A lot of people do photography.
Right.
Again, like, you know, you never know what's going on, especially at the police department and the township building is one and the same. So I just want to make sure, like, you're okay, what's going on while you're here. You know, I just want to make sure you check out okay. not allowed to do this.
Yeah.
You know, you are allowed to take pictures of the police vehicles and things like that, and you are allowed to come to this public property. So this is not anything like
A crime was committed. Yeah, that's what I was
it's not
thinking.
like it's a violation or a crime or anything like that. It's just unusual. It's not something people typically do. It's things like, okay, I just want to make sure you're okay. What's going on here? Make sure you don't have any warrants or anything like that, and nothing nefarious is going on. But no, you're good to go, man.
All right.
And guys, if you enjoyed this episode, please leave a like and subscribe. And until the next one, I highly suggest you to go and watch this episode. See ya.